Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Nitya from Kanyakumari. Today we are going to learn lecture 26. Okay, we already done 25. Today we are going to learn lecture 26 UGC NET then set practice. Many questions came from my channel videos, so kindly go through all the videos and subscribe the channel. So kindly subscribe the channel. Okay, so live class available, contact this number. Full chapter cover, then contact this number. Okay, let me discuss today questions. Friends, see this first question. Statement 1. Most of the member countries in the International Solar Alliance are located between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Okay, this is the first statement. First of all, we will discuss International Solar Alliance. What is it? Okay, so that is ISA. That's full form is International Solar Alliance. Okay, it is an alliance of 124 countries initiated by India. Okay, what is this? The main objectives of the alliance is to work for efficient consumption of solar energy. What is this use? Is to work for efficient consumption of solar energy to reduce dependence on fossil fuels. So, Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi started this program in November 2050. Date 30. Okay, so 30 November 2050. Okay, so 2015. Okay, so member countries 124 members countries, then founded at Paris, France. Okay, then so let me discuss the answer. Japan is a member countries of International Solar Alliance. Okay, so this one also right, then this one also right. Okay, so answer both 1 and 2 is the right one. Okay, so then move on next one. Friends, see this next question. Which one of the following forms a necessary component of conversational education system in India? Okay, what is conversational education system? That is teaching using chalk and board for teacher. Okay, then pen and paper for students. This is the conversational education system. Another names traditional education, then back to basic education, then customary education. Okay, customary education. Then this is the teacher center method. Okay, what is it? That is teacher using chalk and board, then students just listening the teacher words. Okay, so that is conversational education system. It is an one-way transfer of knowledge. The teacher transfer his or her knowledge. Okay, it is in theoretical based. Okay, so here answer learning from the teacher is the right one. Okay, so move on next one. Friends, see this next question. Identify the reasoning in the argument. Writing on paper is similar to writing on the board. This is logical reasoning question. So types of arguments. Okay, there are 4 types of arguments. What are they? That is deductive, then inductive, analogical, then abductive. Okay, there are 4 kinds of arguments. Okay, So what is analogical arguments? That is, writing on paper is similar to writing on the board. So similarity, then comparison statements. These true or analogical statements. Writing on paper is similar to writing on board. So answer here analogical is the right one. Okay. So here analogical is the right one. Then move on next one. Friends, see this next question. Participant observation is a part of which kind of research? Okay, answer here. Ethnographic research is the right one. What is it? Observe. Okay, observation. That is, observer is an active participant in the nature setting he or she observes. Okay, that is ethnographic research. So participants observation is a part of ethnographic research. Then move on next one. Friends, next question. What is the decimal equivalent of binary number? So this is the question. So 0 into 0 is equal to 0. Then 1 into 2 power 1. Take 2 power 1. Then 1 into 2 power 1, that is 2. So 1 into 2, 2. Okay. Then 1 into 2 power 2. So that is 1 into 4. 2 into 2, that is 1 into 4. So answer 4. Okay. Then 0 into 2 power 0, 3. So answer here 0. Then next one 0 into 2 power 4. So this one also 0. Then 1 into 2 power 5. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 5, 2. So answer here 32 is the right one. Okay. Then 1 into 2 power 6. So here answer added 2. Then 2 power 6. So 64. So add all these solution. Finally we get 102 is the right one.